You are a true warrior.
Come on, get in the fight! I know you're scared.
A warrior's a motherfucker who says, hey, I'm here again today. I'm here again tomorrow. I'm gonna be here the next day. I'm 50 years old, I'm still fucking getting after it.
I've been scared. Whether you like it or not, you are in this race.
We had a rule. You could not leave the field unless you were dead.
You take all that Kenny G anger and you unleash it. Hear me?
Yes, sir.
Just tell me where, and that's it. Why you need come here? Show up like you wanna fight or something like this. Send me a message, hey, come here, this place, and that's it. You come here. Send me a message, like location, I'm gonna come. Whatever you want, doesn't matter. Ireland, New York, Brooklyn, or Moscow, doesn't matter. Tell me, where?
I'll keep fighting. I'll break myself. Even if there's nothing left of me, I will win the way I want to.
Yeah, I'll tell you this, in any fight, it's the guy who's willing to die who's gonna win that itch. And I know if I'm gonna have any life anymore, it's because I'm still willing to fight and die for that itch. Because that's what living is.
I said a warrior mindset is not, oh, I could kill that guy if he came running in here right now. I said that's not a warrior mindset. A warrior mindset is doing the things, the hard things, the difficult things every single day that make you a warrior. So when the time comes, you're ready. Your body's trained to fight. It's more a warrior lifestyle.
In my philosophy, I'm a warrior and everything should be perfect. Everything what I'm doing, I have to do it well, or I shouldn't do it at all.
Hey, be violent, man. Be smart, but when in doubt, crash the out. It's our first them, man. What is the devil gonna do with a believer that's not even afraid of death? You're gonna take your job, not enough. You're gonna put a flat tire on my car, not enough. You're gonna take away my girlfriend, not enough. You're gonna get me sick, not enough. You're gonna remove all my friends, not enough. You're gonna persecute me on social media, not enough. Ain't nobody like us. Ain't nobody believing us. I like us, man. Go lay it on the line for your brother, man. Hey, this is what we grind for. Every man in this room, man. Every man in this huddle. Leave it on him. I ain't come this far just to come this far. Treat every play like it's your last. Today about being aggressive and sticking together, and we're gonna take what we want, man.
A man who conquers himself becomes a problem for the world. He cannot be baited by pleasure or ruled by fear.
Hey, I came to fight. I don't know about y'all, but I came to fight. From play 1 to play 9. We all we got. We all we need. Play hard. Play smart.
He moves with purpose while others drift. His discipline makes him unpredictable to weaker minds.
David Goggins, he wrote me last night. The basis of his message was, be the guy who embraces the ugly, the miserable. Be the guy who embraces hard work, the grind. Don't be afraid of being hurt. Don't be afraid to sacrifice some blood.
What once controlled him now has no power.
He was like, Spikes, I'm gonna take his soul. And I was like, what? I'm gonna take his soul. I wanna see how bad he wants to play.
Very quiet, didn't say much, and then the transformation occurs.
Silence becomes his strategy, restraint his weapon. And when he acts, the world feels it before it understands it.
The time has come. The time has come. The day has come.
It was game time. It was like a light switch turned on, and he became something else.
That's who he became when he went on the field.
Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Baby, my body will be given on this field today. Whatever I got, I'm a giver.
A warrior of God does not break.
Lose? I will. Lose? I will not lose! That just isn't going to happen.
He fights resistance.
Never get tired, never complain. Yeah. Don't say nothing, just keep working. Champions don't cry. Champions just work.
Not to escape it, but to overcome it.
Oh, let me get back. Oh, right there, huh? Right there. Oh, right there. Right there. He thought I was like the rest of the athletes and entertainers. No.
He stands firm when pressure rises. Faith anchors him when strength fades.
No retreat. No surrender. That is Spartan law. And by Spartan law, we will stand and fight and die.
He does not retreat from hardship. He endures because his purpose is greater than his pain.
Spartans! Ready your breakfast and eat hearty. But tonight, we dine in hell!
And with God, everything is possible.
Isaiah 54:17, no weapon formed against me shall prosper. Psalm 27 verse 1 and 2, the Lord is my light and my salvation, of whom shall I fear? The Lord is the stronghold of my life, for whom shall I be afraid? When the wicked advance against me to devour me, it is my enemies, my foes, who will stumble and fall. Joshua 1:9, have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged. For the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. If God is for us, who could be against us? James 1:12, blessed is the one who perseveres under trial. Having stood the test, that person will receive the crown of life that the Lord has promised to those who love him.
No one is watching you and nobody cares. Just grind. That's your damn problem. You keep worrying about if people watching you, but at the end of the day, nobody cares. Stop feeding for other people's validation and start validating yourself. Because at the end of the day, that's all that really matters.